friends. I'm today to read another story, and today's story is going to be Are You My Mother? And it's written by P.D. So this is actually another one of my favorites, and I'll tell you why after. Are You My Mother? Written and illustrated by P.D. Eastman. And this is a beginner book, so if your child's learning how to read, this is a great book to pick up. A lot of good practice, and then you can discuss characters and the setting. You can also discuss main idea. So these are really good books, especially this one for just going over story elements. A mother bird sat on her egg. Look at that mama bird getting that egg all nice and warm. The egg jumped. Oh, oh, said the mother bird. My baby will be here. He will want to eat. I must get something for my baby bird to eat, she said. I will be back. So away she went. The egg jumped. It jumped and jumped and jumped. Out came the baby bird. Where is my mother? He said. He looked for her. He looked up. He did not see her. He looked down. He did not see her. I will go and look for her, he said. So away he went. Uh-oh, look, baby bird. Do birds know how to fly the moment they are born? Down out of the tree he went. Down, down, down. It was a long way down. Poor baby bird. The baby bird could not fly. He could not fly, but he could walk. Now I will go and find my mother, he said. He did not know what his mother looked like. He went right by her. He did not see her. What was baby bird's mom doing? Look, she's going to get him food. What do baby birds eat? Looks like a nice worm. He came to a kitten. Are you my mother? He said to the kitten. The kitten just looked and looked. It did not say a thing. The kitten was probably confused. The kitten was not his mother, so he went on. Then he came to a hen. Are you my mother? He said to the hen. No, said the hen. The kitten was not his mother. The hen was not his mother. So the baby bird went on. I have to find my mother, he said. But where? Where is she? Where could she be? Where do you think his mother is? A prediction. Then he came to a dog. Are you my mother? He said to the dog. I am not your mother. I am a dog, said the dog. But baby bird doesn't know what a dog is. How is he supposed to know? The dog needs a nap. The kitten was not his mother. The hen was not his mother. The dog was not his mother. So the baby bird went on. Now he came to a cow. What do you think he's going to ask the cow? Are you my mother? He said to the cow. How could I be your mother? Said the cow. I am a cow. And a grumpy one, too. The kitten and the hen were not his mother. The dog and the cow were not his mother. Did he have a mother? Does Baby Bird have a mother? Where's Baby Bird's mother? I did have a mother, said the baby bird. I know I did. I will have to find her. I will. I will. Now the baby bird did not walk. He ran. Then he saw a car. Could that old thing be his mother? No, it could not. Baby bird did not stop. He ran on and on. Do you think he's going to find his mom? Where's his mother going to be? Make a prediction. Now he looked way, way down. He saw a boat. There she is, said the baby bird. He called to the boat, but the boat did not stop. The boat went on. He looked way, way up. He saw a big plane. Here I am, Mother, he called out. But the plane did not stop. The plane went on. Just then, the baby bird saw a big thing. This must be his mother. There she is, he said. There is my mother. Is that his mother? No, that's not his mother. He ran right up to it. Mother, mother, here I am, mother, he said to the big thing. But the big thing just said, snort. Oh, you are not my mother, said the baby bird. You are a snort. I have to get out of here. Baby bird sounds like he's upset. But the baby bird could not get away. The snort went up. It went way, way up. And up, up, up went the baby bird. Baby bird doesn't know how to fly. What's going to happen to our little baby bird? But now, where was the snort going? Oh, 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 what is the snort going to do to me? Get me out of here. Just then, the snort came to a stop. Where do you think they're stopping? Let's find out. Where am I? Said the baby bird. I want to go home. I want my mother. Then something happened. The snort put that baby bird right back in the tree. The baby bird was home. Just then, the mother bird came back to the tree. Do you know who I am? She said to her baby. Yes, I know who you are, said the baby bird. You are not a kitten. You are not a hen. You are not a dog. You are not a cow. You are not a boat or a plane or a snort. You are a bird, and you are my mother. And what do you think happened? They are gonna live happily ever after. The end. So I chose this book because this book is kind of funny for our family. We used to joke around whenever whenever we were home alone, we would ask each other, are you my mother? Or if somebody was babysitting someone else's kids, we'd be like, where's your mother? And then they'd say, are you my mother? So it's just for fun. So it's a good book. And again, it's meant for early readers. So if you have an early reader at home, I highly suggest this book. Hope you have a great day. I need to go and enjoy the outside world or what I can. I'm just going to stand outside for like 5 minutes. So maybe you can do that too. Don't go to stores. Don't go do anything crazy. Just stand outside your house, maybe your backyard, 5 minutes of fresh air. Have a good day.